Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to solve a very interesting and viral Math Olympiad question based on exponents. The question is, 2 raised to the power of t is equal to t raised to the power of 32. We need to find the value of t. Let's start solving this step by step. We have 2 to the power of t equals t to the power of 32. Now, I'll take both sides to the power of 1 over t. So it becomes 2 to the power of t, bracket to the power of 1 over t, equals t to the power of 32, bracket to the power of 1 over t. According to the exponent rule, when you raise a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. That means 2 to the power of t times 1 over t equals t to the power of 32 times 1 over t. The t's cancel on the left-hand side, and we're left with 2 to the power of 1 equals t to the power of 32 divided by t. So now it becomes 2 equals t to the power of 32 over t. To simplify further, I'll again take both sides to the power of 1 over 32. That gives 2 to the power of 1 over 32 equals t to the power of 32 over t times 1 over 32. The 32 cancels out, leaving us with 2 to the power of 1 over 32 equals t to the power of 1 over t. Now we have a clean and simple equation. 2 to the power of 1 over 32 equals t to the power of 1 over t. To find the value of t, let's think about it. The right-hand side, t to the power of 1 over t, has a pattern that increases, peaks, and then decreases. So we need a value of t that makes both sides equal. Let's test t equals 256. Since 256 is equal to 2 to the power of 8, we can write the right-hand side as 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 1 over 256, which simplifies to 2 to the power of 8 over 256, or 2 to the power of 1 over 32. That's exactly what we have on the left-hand side, so it's a perfect match. Let's quickly verify it with the original equation. If t equals 256, then 2 to the power of 256 equals 256 to the power of 32. Substituting 256 as 2 to the power of 8, we get 2 to the power of 256 equals 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 32, which simplifies to 2 to the power of 8 times 32, or 2 to the power of 256. Both sides are perfectly equal. So the final answer to this exponential Math Olympiad question is t equals 256. That's our final solution. If you enjoyed this problem and the step-by-step explanation, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fun and challenging math questions. See you next time, and keep learning.